You ready to make a fall caddy out of this dollar store stuff? Let's do it. Hey friends, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I started with these tags I got from Dollar General. I removed the tags from them. And then I painted that little raised B part. I painted it white, and I'm using chalk paint. Then I have these window clings from Dollar Tree, and I put just a super thin layer of Mod Podge on each of the tags. And then I'm going to put these little pumpkins in the center. How much fun is this? I love it. Look how cute. And when you put those on, I just make sure I really press it to make sure there's no air bubbles underneath. Super fun. You could even let your Mod Podge dry just a little bit so that it's tacky and it's not super wet, so that way it sticks better. But look at how cool this is. I did put a layer of Mod Podge on the top just to make sure. Then I take this Dollar Tree crate, this little mini crate, and I paint it with white chalk paint. And I do all the sides. I even do the edges, the sides. we're not going to see these ends, but this is where I practice and see if I really want to use a distressing method on it. And yeah, I do. But it was a good, easy place that I could practice and not have to worry about ruining the rest of the crate. I know, crazy, right? But anyway, so I'm just using a sponge and some Waverly, not Waverly, it's Folk Art wax. The color is Antique. And I'm just going and just gently taking and using my sponge across it. It almost makes it look like a wood grain. I do the same around the edges on our little tag. I do that on both tags, obviously. Super fun. If you don't do distressing, don't do this part. That's fine. I almost wish, now that I did this project, I wish that I had painted the back of these tags white. I think it would have blended better, but yeah, we live and learn. Maybe it'll inspire you to do it that way. I don't know. But yeah, so we're going to continue to distress. Perfect. Now I got some wood glue, and I'm going to put that on the end. And so the wood glue is for later. The hot glue we're going to put on is for now, right? And I'm just going to put that tag right against that little mini crate. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. You see it? It's like a little, I want to say a caddy, but you know what? It's more like a little toolbox almost. Look how fun. I love it. Then I take some jute and I'm going to put it through one of the rings, not both. And I'm going to knot it at the ring. Perfect. Then I'm going to take some wood beads. These ones were already stained and everything. I got them at Michael's. I used 7 of the beads. I think they're like 1/2 inch. And then I put them all on, and then I knot that one at the ring as well. I cut off the excess and stop it. Stop. Look at how cute it is. Now you could put flowers in it like this. Super pretty. Oh, it's nice little arrangement. But you know how I'm going to use it? I'm going to put salt and pepper shakers in it. I'm going to put napkins in it, because if you're here, you better be useful. I thought about this later. I might even put pencils and little pads in it. Yeah, I might do that and put it on my desk. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.